సో వెల్కమ్ టు చిన్ను మ్యాథ్స్ ట్యుటోరియల్. సో ఈ వీడియో చూసే కన్నా ముందు వీడియోను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అలాగే పక్కన గంట సింబల్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. మీకు 3 ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తాయి, అందులో ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. సో వీడియో చూస్తున్నారు చాలామంది, కంపల్సరీ వీడియో చూసే ముందు వీడియోకి ఒక లైక్ ఇవ్వండి. అలాగే ఈ వీడియోను మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికీ కూడా షేర్ చేయండి. కంపల్సరీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుంటేనే నేను పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో కూడా మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్స్ రూపంలో అందుతుంది. సో ప్లీజ్ సపోర్ట్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Let's continue the remaining problems. So next model number 2 is a very important model based on the area of the triangle. So let A 1 2 comma 3 and B minus 3 comma 4 are two given points. Find the equation of the locus of P so that the area of the triangle PAB is 8.5. See here, what is the given that area of the triangle? We can observe that given that area of the triangle, so that means I will take one triangle that is equal to PAB. P is always taken as the point is x comma y. Given that point A equal to 2 comma 3 and point B equal to minus 3 comma 4. Let's continue. What is our first step? Let P x comma y be a point on the locus. Next, given points. What are the given points? Are P x comma y, it is taken as x1 y1. Okay, next point A is given as 2 comma 3, it is equal to x2 y2. Next one, B minus 3 comma 4, it is equal to x3 comma y3. What is say? Given that the area of the triangle of PAB equal to 8.5 units, so then given condition, what is the given condition is area of triangle PAB equal to 8.5 units. So already we know that what is the area of the triangle of PAB, the given the 3 vertices are. So then 1 by 2 into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, it is equal to 8.5. 8.5 can be written as 17 by 2. 17 by 2 is nothing but it is equivalent to the 8.5. The 8.5 can be written as in the fractions 17 by 2. So then the equal terms 2 both are gets cancelled. What is the remaining? x1. What is our x1 value? Equal to x modulus of x minus x into y2. What is our y2 value? Equal to 3 minus of y3 value equal to 4. Again plus x2 equal to, what is our x2 value? Equal to 2. Then y3 minus y3 value equal to 4 minus of y1 value equal to y plus x3. What is our x3 value? Equal to minus 3. Plus into minus, again you will write minus of 3 into y1 minus y1 value equal to y minus of y2 value equal to 3. Then substitute the all values, it is equal to 17. Then multiply modulus of 3 into minus 4 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into x minus x plus 2 into 4 8 plus into minus of 2y plus into minus of 3y minus into minus plus 3 into 3 9 equal to 17. Then simplify the modulus of, first calculate the x elements, only you have one x element. Y elements minus 2y minus 3y, that is equal to minus 5y. 8 plus 9 equal to plus 17, it is equal to 17. Here one thing is important, if you have eliminated if you have removed the modulus value, you must write in right side plus or minus. So then minus x minus 5y plus 17 equal to plus or minus of 17. Okay, here we have to take two cases. One case you have to take plus 17, another case you have to take minus 17. So then minus of x minus of 5y plus 17 equal to plus 17. Another case is minus x minus 5y plus 17 equal to minus 17. Equal terms on both sides, both are gets cancelled. Plus 17 plus 17. What is remaining? Minus x minus 5 equal to 0. Write the minus is the common factor. You can write 5 plus x plus 5y equal to 0. Okay, equation 1. Next, minus x minus 5y plus 17. This minus 17 can be written as here, sign should be changed, that is equal to plus 17 equal to 0. Then minus x minus 5y 17 plus 17, that is equal to plus 34 equal to 0. Write the minus is the common factor, then x plus 5y minus of 34 equal to 0. It is our second equation. See here, the first equation is 0, the second equation is equal to 0, means the product of these two equation is also 0. For this condition, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, you can write the product of the two equations, x plus 5y into x plus 5y minus of 34 equal to 0. It is our required equation of the locus. That's clear. Next, same model question. Given that a equal to 5 comma 3, b equal to 3 comma minus 2 are two fixed points. Find the equation of the locus of P so that the area of the triangle is given by 9 units. Area of the triangle PAB is given that how many units? 9 units. So let's take the triangle PAB. The point P is always x comma y. Point A is given that 5 comma 3. Point B is given that 3 comma minus 2. So let's write the common points. Let P x comma y be a point on the locus. It is the common step. Given points are P, A and B, taken as first one is x1 y1, the second one A is x2 y2, B is x3 y3. What is the given condition? The area of the triangle PAB equal to 9 units. Then what is the principle of area of the triangle PAB? 1 by 2 into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 9 units. After that, substitute the values by taking the cross multiplication. 2 into 9 equal to 18. Write in next step. x1, what is our x1 equal to? The modulus of x1 means x, y2 minus y3, y2 value equal to 3 minus of y3 equal to minus 2, minus into minus plus 2. So then 3 plus 2. Next, plus x2, what is our x2 value equal to? 5 plus 5 into y3 minus y1, y3 value equal to minus 2 minus of y1 value equal to y. Next, x3, what is our x3 value equal to? Plus 3. Next, y1 minus y2, y1 value equal to y minus of 3. By taking the cross multiplication, 9 into 2 equal to 18. Next, 3 plus 5 equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5, 5 into x equal to 5x. Okay, plus into minus, minus 5 2 are 10, again plus into minus, minus 5 into y plus 3 into y plus into minus, minus 3 into 3 9 equal to 18. Then calculate mod of 5x minus 5y, 5x minus 5y plus 3y equal to minus of 2y. Next, minus 10 minus 9, that is equal to minus 19 equal to 18. Already we discussed, if you remove the modulus value, you can write in right side plus or minus. So that means 5x minus 2y minus 19 equal to plus or minus 18. Take in two cases. The first case is 5x minus 2y minus 19 equal to plus 18. The second case is 5x minus 2y minus 19 equal to minus 18. Okay, next step, plus 18 can be written as here, then 5x minus 2y minus 19 minus 18 equal to 0. Next 5x minus 2y minus of minus 19 minus 18 equal to minus of 37 equal to 0. In the first case we will get first equation, it is equation 1. Okay, similarly 5x minus 2y minus 19 minus 18 can be written as here, the sign should be changed, that is equal to plus 18 equal to 0. Then 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 19 plus 18 equal to minus 1. It is equation 2. Next, from equation 1 and equation 2, the first equation is 0, second equation is 0. That means the product of the two equations is also 0. Then you can write 5x minus 2y minus 37 into 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. It is our required equation of the locus. Let's continue the next question. Same model question. If a 1 comma 1 and b minus 2 comma 3 are two fixed points, find the equation of the locus of P so that the area of the triangle PAB is 2 units. Same question, but area of the triangle is given that how many units? 2 units. So then take the same triangle Px comma y and a 1 comma 1 and b minus 2 comma 3 are vertices. Next, let Px comma y be a point on the locus, it is a common point, and given points are Px comma y is taken as x1 y1, and point A is 1 comma 1, that is equal to x2 y2, and point B equal to minus 2 comma 3, it is equal to x3 y3. The given condition is area of the triangle PAB equal to, given that how many units? 2 units. Then 2 units. Write the principle of area of the triangle PAB, it is equivalent to 2 units. After that, taking the cross multiplication 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Then substitute the values, x1 value x1 equal to x into bracket of y2 minus y3, y2 equal to 1 minus of y3 value equal to 3. Next, plus x2, what is our x2 value equal to 1 into y3 minus y1, y3 value equal to 3 minus of y1 value equal to y. Next, plus x3, x3 value equal to minus 2, plus into minus, minus 2 into y1 minus y2, y1 value equal to y, y2 value equal to 1, that is equal to y minus 1. Taking the cross multiplication 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Then simplify. Then modulus of 1 minus of 2 equal to minus 2, minus 2 into x minus 2x, plus 1 into 3, 3, plus into minus, that is equal to y, minus of 2y, minus into minus, plus 2 equal to 4. Next, modulus of minus 2x minus y minus 2y, that is equal to minus of 3y. Next, plus 3 plus 2 equal to plus 5 equal to 4. Already we discussed, if you eliminate the modulus value, you can write in right side plus or minus. So then minus of 2x minus of 3y plus 5 equal to plus or minus 4. Then minus of 2x minus of 3y plus 5 equal to plus 4. In second case, minus 2x minus 3y plus 5, that is equal to minus 4. Okay. The next one, write plus 4 is here, that is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 can be written as here, that is equal to plus 4. The sign should be changed. Minus of 2x minus 3y plus 5 minus 4 equal to 0, that is equal to minus 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Write the minus is the common factor. It's nothing but just you can change the signs. 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. Equation 1. Similarly, minus of 2x minus of 3y plus 5 plus 4 equal to 0. Then 2x minus 3y plus 9 equal to 0. Write the minus is the common factor. 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. That is equation 2. Already we discussed. From the equation 1 and 2, the first equation is 0, second equation is 0. Then the product of the two equation is also 0. From 1 and 2, we can write 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to into 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. This is our required equation of the locus. It is clear.